Hey guys, let's play cash flow. I want to cover some concepts while I play live. Let's see how fast we can get out of the rat race because that's the most important part. We're going to be the janitor and our dream is going to be the stock market for kids. Let's start. We're going to roll. Pay, that doesn't matter. Roll again, small deals, that's where it's at. Alright, now we're gonna roll up. I guess we can buy, we're gonna go big right away. Ignore. We want to get these stock trades. That's what's gonna make us the big money quickly. Ignore the baby. Alright, this costs us nothing, so we'll buy that house. Small deal, they split our stock. We're going to pay for that, doesn't matter. Apartment buyer, don't care. We're looking for more stock deals. Stock deals is where it's at. Small deal. Do you want to buy a condo? No thanks. Condos are okay, but they're not big money makers in the game. And in real life, because of the HOA fees. Okay, here's a condo. Very expensive. Big down payment. Don't want it. I don't want it to use up my cash. Grow for us. It's already overpriced. Pass. Small deal. Pass. It's only maybe a double and we're low on cash. Whatever, pay that. Small deal. Grow for us. Pass on that. It's another 50% return. Small deal. It's already maxed out. So if it's $30 and the top of the range is $30, we don't want it. We want the ones, the fives, and sometimes the tens. Small deal, sell at 30, we have 200. Let's sell that. So we just booked our first gain. Let's just keep going, keep doing the small deals. Here's no down payment. Negative cash flow, but those can double our money off the nominal price. Small deal. Pass. Those are a good deal, but we're trying to play speed here. Small deal. Condo, I'm going to pass on that. That'll make us some money, but I don't want to play that. It'll suck up a lot of ammunition. Okay, here's a 10 on to you. We'll buy 1,000. Let's go. Those are the good ones. Small deal. On to you again. Oops, let me move our balance sheet over so you can see. I'm still going to buy. What should I do? I'm going to buy 5,000. Oh no, that's too much. $7. Can we do that? Dang it. Let's buy this. We'll borrow some money. What do we have? 7. Oops. Let's do that. So I tend to over leverage. Okay for you, we don't have it, so we pass. You don't want to run out of cash because then you go bankrupt. Even in the game, it's not fun. Alright, so they're buying. Oh, we're selling. They're paying 100 per home. We got them at 50. Okay, we'll take advantage and pay off some debt. We've got the 4,000 at the shark rate. We're going to pay off some retail debt. We're going to pay off that credit card. We're going to repay that car loan. So when you're flush, pay down some debt. Okay, we still have the stock trades working for us. we've got 91,000, and I like to make it big, so let's wait till we get a little bit more cash. We're gonna pass this. Small deal. Let's buy some more. Thanks. Let's go big. Let's pass on the charity. Small deal. Sell. This is what we're looking for. Liquidation. Alright. I like to liquidate all my trades. Here's a small deal. We're going to pass on that. Buy. Okay, that's a good deal, but let's pass on that. Got downside. Skippy, skippy. Alright, so 20, we're going to pass on those. 20 to 30 isn't a good reward. Going to pass on those. Really low yield. Okay, CDs. We're getting there, hang in there. We just need another payoff and I'll start buying the income property. Oof. Okay, let's buy some of this. Pass on the coin. It can go up, but alright, some okay for you again. It's at $5. Let's be risky. $5. Let's get 2,000. Delete that. Let's see what happens. Oops. This is not good advice, by the way. We're over levering. Oh gosh. Anything to sell? We're not. This is a good deal, but we're low on cash. Small. Pass. That wouldn't have been a good deal either. We need a liquidation. We need a good exit on some of that stock we have. Let's go small. Pass. Small. We got split. We like that. Oh man, those kids. Stressing me out. Okay, 30 on the okay for you. Let's sell. Bam, 270. Let's repay some of that debt. Okay. And then, oh, I should have repaid. Let's go big. Let's get out of this rat race. It's not a great deal. Let me pay off the home. Oh, there you go. So we're out of the rat race. I usually like to go to like a few million in that stock trading before I get out of the rat race, but 200K, that's not bad. I hope you see what it takes. It really helps if you just trade around and try to buy low on the stock and then go into the cash flow deals. But to me, the biggest takeaway is you got to be trading stocks when the price is right. Names that won't go bankrupt, buy them low for 1, 5, or 10, and get out at 20, 30, 40, 50. I hope this was useful. This is how you beat the game of cash flow. Cheers.